So the plan for contest entries or publishing, I recommend 3 key elements. Do something or add something different to your model or scene. Add a lot of details and scratch build some items. Then weather as needed. Hopefully all these equals a wow factor. Here's what I mean. I modified a rail marine covered barge. Wrote this article and it was published. Later, it was entered in the National Celebration of Models contest and it won. And here's the model. And here's the plaque along with the story and the model. I also entered a logging caboose, and it also won for first place kit-built cabooses. It has an interior, a lot of detail and weathering. If you want to use a white crayon marker to line out old railroads, this is the type of markers that I use. The pictures were also shown in the NMRA magazine. And it made the calendar. Getting a picture published in a calendar is difficult, since they are looking for all scales, plus some pictures relating to the layouts around the city where the National Convention will be held. So if you can take a picture in O, S, or Z scale, your chances are better. This award is for photo matching, a model to a prototype picture, in this case a specialized boxcar that carried workers, tools, and supplies that was used by the Western Union Telegraph Company. A very different car that was successful. I now use it as a maintenance away car on my railroad. Then a year later came the article. With a very interesting story. You can find pictures in books, or you can take them yourself, of a prototype. In this case, I found an interesting story of subway cars being delivered, and it's called Floating Subway Cars. Here's a case where I had the models to match a page in a book. The only item needed was a water base. I added Envirotex 2-part epoxy on a piece of plywood, then painted some waves and wake. Voila, an award. Also at the 2010 convention in Milwaukee, another entry in PhotoMatch was a Jersey Central Lines. A picture out of a book along with my models. I was able to win second place. It was one of the 9 awards at that convention. One of the interesting features of this double cab diesel is a red plaque underneath the right cab. During World War II, 8 employees of the Central New Jersey that were in the military died. The railroad named 8 locomotives for them. This one, and peace be with you.